Back in June, I spent a couple weeks in the Western Alps, in the beautiful region of Valle D'Aosta, with the purpose of exploring new places, getting used to higher altitudes and filling my eyes with the incredible beauty of these gigantic mountains. Join me in a new adventure as I spent 2 days up in the mountains with my friend Cippo, spending the night in a remote bivouac in front of a glacier, catching sunrise from a mountain nearby, and following a spectacular ledge to complete the loop. Let's get started.
Hello. Today it's bivouac day. Together with Cippo, we're going up to a fantastic bivouac, Bivacco Gratton, which is a spectacular viewpoint over one of the most beautiful mountains here in the area, Grivola. Fantastic balcony over the glacier, spiky mountains, and it's a long way. 1,800 meters elevation, so yeah, somewhere around 5 and 6 hours hiking. It will be long, but we will be rewarded. I'm already tired. Let's keep going. It's time for lunch. Cippo. Yeah. Let's keep going. From that little hut we got into a very wide valley. It was truly spectacular. We found some water so we could fill our bottles. There were so many animals, marmots, chamois, and a lot of ibex. They were so close, very peaceful. They were just beautiful. Things are getting steep. Boom. È fatta.
Grande Bruno.
Bomba. Alternative way of locking the door. There we go. Cippo, te l'onore.
Oh. La nostra casetta.
Ah sì.
Questa notte.
The glacier doesn't seem very healthy. It's mid of June and there's basically no snow left on the ice, which is pretty bad. Cippo, cosa si mangia oggi?
Specialità gourmet.
Wow.
Risottino, funghi porcini, ragazzi. Mi piace.
Ah.
Beh.
How can you leave such trash in this beautiful place?
Questo qua è legno.
(10 p.m. Sunset is gone, and it's so peaceful here. The plan for tomorrow is to go up that ridge, wake up before sunrise, and hopefully catch sunrise from somewhere up there. And yeah, it's quite early, but we need rest, so we're going to sleep. I think we deserve it, because tomorrow will be another big day. So yeah, time to lay down and rest. Good night. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Che bello! Wow! 3,630 meters! Punta Rossa della Grivola! Whew. The sun is here! Look at this. to go down. We just hopped on the trail, and instead of going down the same way we hiked up, we decided to go down another valley. So the valley we hiked up is over there. The valley we're hiking down is down here, and it's just huge. Now we understand why this is called Gran Paradiso. So from the hut we had two options. One is go all the way down this valley, get to the bottom basically, and walk back down to the starting point on a road. Or another option is take this traverse, like crossing this big face and getting to halfway of the valley we hiked up. So that's what we're doing. The trail goes like this way. We arrive we were up there. Whew. Hello, Bruno from the present. I really hope you enjoyed this video. First of all, if you want to download the GPX track, you can do it. The link is in the description. This video was shot a while ago, like 2 months ago, but a lot of things happened since then. I've been to Greenland for almost a month to guide some photo tours. It's been a great experience, but I sadly didn't have time to shoot any videos for YouTube. But I will be back. Those places are just incredible and there's a lot to explore. But there are 2 more videos coming that I shot before Greenland. Right now I'm in the Austrian Alps and I'm shooting more adventures. So a lot of stuff coming in the near future. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next adventure. Bye.